Using the kit from the electric pump, you can put together a manual pump. Get the white rubber cover and place it flat on the yellow valve. It's important to make sure it's laying flat or the suction won't work. Take the connector and screw it onto the bottle. Put the flange onto the piece. Use the correct flange that feels comfortable to you. Place the piston inside the cylinder and screw it onto the connector. Thank you for watching this video. For more help with breastfeeding, reach out to your local WIC office.